Yeah, a little bit of swing. Pump down the ground. A beautiful clean block.
Clean swing of the bat. That's a beautiful cricket shot.
They're wonderful to watch, and also
swing again. Pumped over the long-on fence. A lovely clean blow and a beautiful sound off the plate.
To here, it's so short down the ground. But if you get in, that's basically step hit that we all talk about as coaches that we've got to avoid at all costs.
Well, it's a lovely control shot. That is a beautiful shot from Asif Ali. The great man. Well, it was a bit of a thick inside edge, but he held his shape nicely. 2 overs done, 31 without loss. He was impressive in that tournament for Andy Flower, but he's been greeted with a 6.
bars that batter of 100, maybe 110. With short boundaries and with an absolute belter of a pitch.
Oh, it's short. There's one place he can't be, is short.
If you bowl that length as a bowler, you've got to be punished. But nicely played, pick the length quite early. A nice swivel when he hit that shot. 18.
Just pushes it through. Now that's an extraordinary 6. That is an amazing shot. I think it might have been the back of the bat. 23 off the leg spinner, 3 done, 54 without loss.
You describe this, I reckon that's come off the back of the bat. Straight into the onside, and the bats are so big nowadays.
Going around the wicket and going for 6.
A Yorker specialist indeed, but he just missed. And if you miss in this game, swing of the bat. Way back.
Oh, full toss. 6 more. A lovely little flick of the wrists.
I asked around.
Because they might need a few more.
Yeah, the way the 6s are flying, they need a lot more, I can tell you. Again, going over the stump straight after that delivery, that's a better option as a bowler.
Asif Ali over the wicket. Oh, it's a beauty. What a way to bring up a wonderful half-century. Now take yourself off the pitch. You're retired, Asif Ali.
He's got 3 6s to get to his 50 of just 14 in this over.
You're going for 6 each time. You get a bit of relief because the batter has to walk off because he's retired. I'm not sure a new batter is going to do anything different, to be honest.
Well, I mentioned Asif Ali, more 6s than 4. Oh! 4 in a row!
And he hits the biggest one so far as well.
He is gentle. Gentle medium pace. Up in the air. 6 more.
Be enough to get us through this tournament, because if you're going to bowl that length at that pace, this could be a little ugly.
Wicket. Short arm jab. Wasn't quite out of the middle, but good enough.
In this innings, in just 4.2 overs from Pakistan. Brilliant power hitting from Asif Ali earlier, and now it's time for a clap.
Up and over the offside's a lovely shot. That's a better shot, actually. It's only going to be a bounty, but it's somewhat. 100 up with a beautiful 6 down the ground. Ooh, inventive. Moves to 48. Pumped through the offside. That'll be a beautiful half-century. Akhlaq 52 from 15, and he will stroll off with his chest out. Well played. Sensational batting from Pakistan here. Has got protection. Can he haul it in? No. Palms it onto the fence for a boundary. Slow ball. Has he got the gap? I think he has. It's going to be another boundary. Goes for the short ball. Top edge. Will it go all the way? Can the keeper haul it in? Negative. Flat track. Sanchit Sharma was expensive. Akif, 2 overs of 31. I thought he bowled better than that. Zahor, expensive. 1 for over. Yes, shape straight away. And a respectful start. A little dink into the offside. Just, you don't want to get on strike now. Beautiful. Lovely hit. Just keep an eye on the replay. The extension of the arms.
Yeah, that's textbook. Have a look at that. Just around that waist height. Didn't try and overhit it. Still hit it, managed to hit it about.
Clubbed. Taken. Toe of the bat. Good hard length from.
Yeah, it's a great wicket. Again, not a lot of time to get yourself in.
No ball. Top edge. Good results. for the UAE. That
Can't get over. You just can't afford to bowl no balls in this type of format. Top edge, he'll take it. Doesn't matter how you get him, as long as you get 60 and aim.
smashed with serious power, and that over had a bit of everything. 25 for 1. Straight away goes for that Yorker that we've all been asking for, but nice batting cricket. Now in the air, it's going to be easy as you like. It's like taking candy from a baby. Simple catch in the deep. Sanchit is gone, and Pakistan have their second. It's a disappointing end here, the Hong Kong sixes, when you're caught in the deep 10 yards off the rope. Easy catch. 6, right over our head, right over the captain, Fahim Ashraf's head. Beautiful ball.
That he could. That's going miles back, right in the slot. Good swing of the bat, straight over the sight screen.
Oh, lovely, lusty blow over the leg side. He loves it there, the left-hander. 2 overs done, 44 for... This is a lovely hit from Khalid Shah. We've seen his extension of the arms. He doesn't overhit the ball. That's the key. The natural timer of the ball. More than useful medium pace, but that's a cracking shot. Zahaib, he's known for his leg spin, and he just added a lovely lusty blow over extra cover to his arm.
Getting across the line quickly in front of the stumps and getting still. So you can see the technique was there, and he's...
Well, goes across the stumps and then smokes him long and far, and all of a sudden skews it all the way for 6. A little bit of a swivel, little way for 6.
The difference between this and the first 2 shots that he attempted when he missed it early on is that his head's still and his head's behind the line of the ball.
Oh, now then, that's another one. That's another one. It's 4 in a row. So
They have to retire.
New bowler, Hussain Talat. Same results. 6 out. His fifth. Thick outside edge, that'll do nicely. 6 more. This is unbelievable batting.
Yeah, right. It would be great to see a spinner out there, but I think they're all over in Pakistan at the moment, getting lined up to play the next Test match in Pakistan, the way they've got the wickets over there.
Well, goes for the Yorker. Pretty good bowling that. Will it trickle away for 4? It will.
Well, they'll be used to this 10 games in a row on this pitch.
Right, it's...
91 for 2.
Beautiful batting. Pakistan just don't have the answers here. Don't have the variance of pace. Got to execute the Yorkers. Maybe try a bounce.
Thick outside edge. It's gone for 6. Of course it has. 4 overs bowled. UAE all over Pakistan. 98 for 2. Through the offside. That's a marvellous 50. Exceptional. 53 from just 13. The leg spinner come. Powerhouse back Zuhaib. What a knock. Nick, gone. Must be gone. Is gone. This game has turned. Well, feather. Through to the keeper. Simple catch. Akif gone for a duck. UAE 102 feet a boundary. Gets a boundary. And you just heard his partner at the non-striker's end say, shot Yao.
the pace.
Gone! Asif Ali, you ripper! 50 with the bat, bowling the last over, cleaning up the southpaw.
The wicket is gone.
Retired out. Can he win it for the UAE? Oh, can he win it? It's in the deep. 2 fielders converging. Taken.
Set themselves, took the catch, under pressure, no problem.
Every chance.
Down the ground. 6. Zahoor Khan. 14 off 1 ball. Done and dusted. Done and dusted. Pakistan winning by 13 runs. Fahim was expensive. Asif Ali 2 for 6.